Tired of chasing clients for payment? Create a Wise payment link in 60 seconds and get paid instantly. No more awkward follow-ups. No more waiting around wondering if they got the invoice. You just send a link, they click it, and you get your money. I am going to show you exactly how to set this up in 6 simple steps. First, log into your Wise account and click on Request. All right, so you are logged into your Wise dashboard. This is the main screen you see when you first sign in. Look at the navigation menu on the left-hand side. You're going to see a button that says Request. Just click on that. And now you have landed on the Request page. You will see a few different options here for how you want to get paid. What you want to do is click on the one that says Request a Payment. It is usually the first big option right in the middle of the screen. Once you click that, a new window or a new flow will open up inside Wise. You will see a big blue button that says Start. Go ahead and click that. Now this is where you make the decision. Wise gives you a couple of different ways to request money. You can send an invoice directly through email, or you can just grab a simple link. For this tutorial, we want the link. So click on the option that says Share a Payment Link. This is the quickest way to get paid because you can paste this link anywhere, in an email, a text message, a chat, even on your website. Now we get to the important part. Type in the amount you want to charge. Just click into the amount field and type in your number. For example, $500. You can also set the currency right here. If your client is in a different country, you can switch it to their local currency. Wise will handle the conversion automatically, which is really handy. Once you have the amount set, you are going to see a button that says Create Payment Link. Click on that. This might take just a second to process. And there it is, your brand new payment link. You will see a little copy icon or a button right next to it. Click that to copy the link to your clipboard. Now you can share it with your client. Paste it into an email, send it over Slack, drop it in a text message. It is that easy. If you want to get a little more professional, you can click on the option to customize the link. You can add a description of what the payment is for, like web design retainer or June invoice. You can even add a reference number on your end to keep your bookkeeping straight. This is totally optional, but it really helps when you are managing multiple clients. Before you send it off to a real client, I recommend you test it yourself first. Open a private browser window or send it to your own phone. Click the link and see what your client will see. It should show the amount and a big pay button. Confirming it works takes 30 seconds and saves you from looking unprofessional if something goes wrong. And that is it. You now have a fully functional payment link that you can use for any client. Going from manually creating invoices and waiting for weeks to just sending a link that gets paid instantly makes a huge difference in your cash flow. I have been using this method for months now, and it has seriously cut down on the time I spend chasing payments. Give it a try on your next invoice and see how much smoother it feels.